So guys, as you remember from my last video, I did try not to laugh, and I promised you I was gonna do sneezing prank, so let's do it.
I'm sorry.
Sneeze prank. What is that? Did you sneeze on me?
Actually,
Oh, you fucking
I'm trying to It was all.
Oh, I'm so sorry, mate. Must be the Ebola. Have you got a tissue?
Oh, that was just bad.
That's nasty. Put it in your mouth.
I'm not feeling too good today.
Dude, are you serious?
Sneeze cam.
Quit fucking playing with me, dude.
Hey, Daddy, what are you doing?
No, your cumulative average for all 3 years.
Hi, Mom. Hi, how you doing? Oh,
It's like she choked.
I'm so sorry.
I can tell you.
Sneeze cam. Bitch, I'm about to beat your faggot ass. Sneeze, Frank.
Huh?
Green clusters. Oh my god, that's water.
Oh, shit, I'm sorry, man. That's fucking disgusting. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry, mate. Must be the Ebola. You got a tissue?
Sneeze cam. What the fuck?
This is the sneeze prank.
Cover your mouth next time, you asshole.
It's a prank, look.
It's a prank. Get that.
Sneeze prank.
Son of a bitch!
She's still mad at me and not talking to me. Grandma, it was for Vine.
Oh, fuck, fine.
Oh, you nasty
Oh,
ass.
Sneeze Cam and Katina.
As this one, you can hear someone in the background screaming.
Oh, you nasty ass.
Sneeze Cam and Katina.
What the fuck? Everywhere, man. Sneeze prank.
Dylan. That was disgusting. Ew. Did you spit on me? Get out of here.
Man, what the fuck's your problem?
Oh, I'm sorry, mate. Must be the Ebola. Have you got a tissue?
Are you for real?
It was this. People are always telling me I sneeze too loud. False.
Oh my god, you idiot!
Sorry.
Okay, so I'm gonna do another one of Roblox this week. So please subscribe, okay? And like my videos. And goodbye.